Some people start programming with Arduino and just get frustrated with learning a bunch of concepts. This tutorial is structured in a better way, with a hands-on project. So no matter how much experience you have with code, you'll be able to make a music box with us and enjoy learning along the way. So welcome to Uncoder. I'm Dakshal, the creator of our website, where we explain code in a simple way. You can see the URL on the screen here and in the description. This video is also timestamped, so you can jump to the section you want to see. Let's get started. We'll need three parts to make our music box: an Arduino Uno as the controller, a piezo buzzer for our notes, and an ultrasonic sensor for input. If you don't know what those are yet, don't worry, you'll soon see why we're using each one. Oh, and you'll also need some wires to connect them together. I recommend getting a physical Arduino since it's most fun that way. But if you can't get one, you can visit this website. We'll write our code in the Arduino IDE. You can find a link to all of these tools in the description. Many ports on an Arduino, but they're actually simple to understand. 5V, which provides power, and ground are like the two ends of a battery. They connect to form a circuit. To form a circuit with our buzzer, we'll first connect its negative end to ground. We want to control the power we're sending to it, so we'll connect its positive end to one of our digital out pins, number 10, rather than directly to 5V. These digital pins send power that we can turn on and off. Our ultrasonic sensor needs constant power, so we'll connect its VCC pin to 5V and its ground to ground. To get input from it, we'll connect the trig pin to 12 and the echo pin to 13. If you're using a physical Arduino, I recommend using a breadboard to connect wires. Let's open up our Arduino IDE to a new sketch by clicking File, then New. You'll see two functions here. The code in setup runs once, and the code in loop keeps running over and over again. I'm going to delete this and paste in the code that's linked in the description. Let's quickly go over it to see how it works. Here we declare some variables that store our pin numbers, and a duration variable which we'll come back to. In setup, we specify which pins are outputs and which ones are inputs. In the loop, we repeatedly trigger our sensor to send out a pulse of ultrasound, which bounces off something and then echoes back. We can read how long that took with this line. If it took less than 500 microseconds, which means an object is really close to the sensor, then we play our music. The notes for the music are further down in the file. That's all I can cover in this tutorial, but let me know in the comments if you'd like a more detailed walkthrough of the code. The last step is to put our code onto the Arduino. If you're using a physical chip, you'll press the upload button. If you're using the virtual one, click the code button and paste it in. Then, hover your hand or mouse over the ultrasonic sensor and the music will start playing. You just made a motion sensing music box. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like it and to subscribe for more coding content. And let me know what else you'd like to learn in the comments.